Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. After that, you need to tap an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, choose alarm name over here, and finally scroll down and tap on the switchers next to all of those features, alarm sound, vibration and snooze, to switch them off or on. Now click on alarm sound and adjust volume of it by swiping left or right. You can also click on Spotify over here or ringtone and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you, like dance, and going back. You can also click on ringtone and this time click on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now pick music from your smartphone, like Over the Horizon. Choose down at the top right corner to save it and simply go back. Now you can tap on vibration and select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one for you and tapping on the back button. Lastly, choose snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back and tap on save. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it, choosing delete at the bottom right corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!